would you like to live off $7.25
I
an
used to
hour?
work for $4.25 at Haagen-Dazs.
Right.
Then I
And that
went
was a
and
very
worked
different
at
time.
Burger King for $4.75.
And how much do you make
Then
now?
I make millions today. Then I
Ito yung sinasabi ng mga mayayaman na nag-umpisa sila sa baba. 'Di ba? They've worked hard. Yes, lalo na for survival nung mga panahong kumikita sila ng mga minimum wage. Now, pag tinuloy ba nila yung ginagawa nila that is only paid for minimum wage, tingin mo magiging milyonaryo sila? Of course, at some point, gumawa sila ng ibang bagay that resulted on a different result. Samantalang yung mga bonak na Pinoy, 'di ba? Kung totoong masipag yung yumayaman, sana masipag na yung mga nagtatrabaho sa restaurant, construction, magsasaka, so on and so forth. Ang bobo. Sobra. Kaya walang asenso yung Pilipinas kasi ganun yung mindset.
Right, and that's why you like capitalism, because we're not all making that. And that's my point. A millionaire is critiquing people in poverty and saying you should work harder. You should work. You know, you can be lean. We can't all be it.
My hope is that you believe you can change and improve. That you believe you can upgrade yourself. That's my
It's
belief.
very. You know what? That's what rich people like you want to keep telling us.
But yeah.
O 'di ba, pag yung mayaman yung nagsuggest ng isang pamamaraan na ayaw or mahihirapan yung mahirap, may inconvenience sila. 'Di ba? Pagtatrabahuan nila yung pag-grow nila. Suddenly, yung sinasuggest ng mayaman, instead of seeing it as a motivational, kasi nga sila na nagsasabi nung ginawa nila kung paano sila napunta doon, and yet ayaw lunukin ng mga Pilipino dahil nga ayaw magbago or mag-improve ng Pilipino towards the better version of themselves. Bakit nga naman mas masarap mag-inom, mas masarap magtambay, mas masarap mag-ayuda, mas masarap magreklamo? 'Di ba? Wala kang failure na mararanasan because yung mga tao nasa paligid mo yung gagawa ng mga bagay para sa'yo. Victim mentality.
You can be just like me. Do you want to be like me? If you work hard enough,
I'm not
you can be
saying
like
that.
me. It's not very
It's
realistic.
actually you wouldn't be able to be like me because
You're
you wouldn't
talking down to
work that hard.
people like
You wouldn't work that hard.
I'm not going to tell you. I don't have to answer that.
If you
I don't have
choose
to measure my, I don't have to measure my work ethic to be worthy.
you don't have to, then you can't be upset for others to do so.
O di ba, magbago or hindi yung mahihirap, there will be persons who will be deciding that I need to change. There will be people who are going to improve themselves more than their current capabilities. And you know what? Yun yung taong makakalabas, makakaalpas sa kahirapan nila. While these kinds of people who will be continuing to blame others will continue to blame the system, kamalasan, pamilya nila, gobyerno, so on and so forth. Unli sisi sa mga tao bukod sa sarili nila kasi they do not want to change. They do not want to improve. Hassle, mahirap. 'Di ba? You will fail and people do not want to be or to feel failure sa mga buhay nila. Kaya iniiwasan nila yung mag-improve. Well, yan na yung mindset ng karamihan sa Pilipino ngayon. Kaya maraming mahirap na Pilipino. Sad, but true. Well, this is Pinoy Extreme. Have a good day.
This is Pinoy Extreme.